Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the Vivo X21. So this phone has some unique feature that I hope you will like it and love it. So without any further ado, let's jump into the smartphone, and first let's unbox and have a look at the box first. So as you can see here is the outline of the Vivo X21, and as you can see over here it shows the Russia World Cup, FIFA World Cup, which is going on right now, as Vivo is the official smartphone sponsor. And as you can see something unique over here on the screen of the as a fingerprint mark. So yeah guys, it has an in-display fingerprints reader, so that's new and something good which you're going to have a look. So just have some patience guys. So over here is the X21 branding on the sides, same Vivo and the FIFA World Cup branding, X21, Vivo and FIFA. So on the back it shows in-display fingerprint scanning, dual pixel sensor. It has got 6GB RAM and 128GB of memory, and it has also got face access or face scanning. So as you guys can see over here, this is the made in India product. It has a black color and it retails for around 36,990 rupees. So that's a lot of amount of money, and you're going to have a look at that. So now let's unbox it. So here is the smartphone. Let's move that. Sorry guys for me taking time to remove the phone. So as you can see over here some writing: do not block the infrared and the light sensors. That's in the notch, I think so. It has a notch also. Over here it has the same fingerprint sensor watermark, and it also says a third-party screen protector might affect the fingerprint recognition. Make sure you always use the Vivo official screen protector with the customized design for the fingerprint pad. So I think they are trying to tell it might have some problem with the third-party fingerprint screen guard. So now let's have a look at the phone. So this is the phone. It looks amazing, the color. Now so let's keep this aside and have a look what else comes in the box. So over here you get a card which says FIFA World Cup 2018 in Russia, Vivo official smartphone or sponsor. You also get Vivo branded earphones. So that's something new. So these are this kind of earphones. I'm not just wasting time on this unboxing. Over here is the power brick. Let me just open and show it to you. So this is a fast charging brick. As you can see over here, 5 volts and 9 volts. So that means it has a fast charging. Let me keep this aside. Remove this, and underneath let's see what says. So over here you also get a cover for this phone which has a design by Vivo over here written. It is a bit harder, as you might have seen that the other phones of Vivo and all, they have a soft TPU, but this one is a hard one, and it has a black rim going on over here. So over here you get a SIM ejecting tool, and it shows how to eject the photos and all. And over here the usual books of shit. That's nothing. And over here is the cable for charging it. So it has got a micro USB. I thought it might be having type C cable for that amount of money that you might be paying for this, but still, now let's see. So let me keep this box aside and let's have a look at the main phone. So let me switch it on. So this phone was lended to me by my friend to just review it. So thanks. So now as it's booting up, let's go to its physical features. So over here you get the volume rocker and the power key, and on top you have a mic, 3.5 phone jack. Over this side there is nothing, and on the bottom you get the SIM tray with something a bit unusual and you don't get to see it a lot of time. Here is a micro USB charging port, mic, and the speaker grill is over here. So now let's open the smartphone. So I have already set it up and booted and inserted my fingerprint smartphone. So I have already set it up and booted and inserted my fingerprint. So as you can see, and it has a notch over here, small one. So now let's have a look at the specs of it. So guys, it has a Super AMOLED display which has a 6.28 inches, and it has a aspect ratio of 19:9. It has a pixel resolution of 1080 by 2280 pixel. It's running on FunTouch OS, and it's running on Android 8.1 Oreo, Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, which is a bit old kind of not that great processor, but still it has a micro SD card, which I've already told you. It has a hybrid SIM slot where you can put one SIM and one micro SD card or two SIMs, and it has got a 128 GB and 6 GB RAM. It has over here a dual camera setup which both has a 12 megapixel and aperture of f1.8, and over here the front facing camera has 12 megapixel with an aperture of 2, and it has got fingerprint under display, which is we'll check in a minute, and it has a non-removable lithium ion battery of 32,000 ampere, and it comes in 3 colors: black, which I have in my hand right now, ruby red color, which they are saying. So this comes in only 2 variants. So now let's have a look at the OS it's running on. About phone, here's all model number, IMEI number, and here it's saying Android 8.1.0, and it's running on FunTouch OS. So Oreo. So now let's have a look at the fingerprint reader, which I've already showed you, but let's delete that and show it to you again how it's done. So now let me add the fingerprint. So it's saying better recognition with a slightly deeper press. So now let's have a look at that. That was fast and it was very responsive. It just takes a half a second to unlock it, but that's nice. And this is the first smartphone with an under display fingerprint reader in India. So that's something Vivo has been doing, and some new types of inventions and new phones it's coming up with. So now let's take a picture. Hello guys, so over here on the behind me there's FIFA World Cup going on. So now let's take a picture of this plant again. So it has features like face, beauty, panorama, professional, where you can manually adjust everything, and dock mode where it scans the papers, videos and AR stickers. So that's all guys for the Vivo X21. So let me know how you feel about this smartphone, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you loved it, comment it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button hard, and if it's possible, do share it ahead. Thank you guys.